Hey guys, welcome back to Bayside Farms. Today we are snowblowing. It's really easy for me to see the snow blowing in real life, but you guys, it's kind of difficult. There's not a whole lot, but it drifted enough overnight that we need to clean it out for the milk truck. So I wanted to also say thank you to all of you guys that just subscribed. I can't believe how quickly we jumped up there. It really took off for a little bit. Hopefully it stays that way, because that would be insane. Yeah, thank you guys to all of you that have subscribed. Must not be a whole lot right here. There's some. I did buy a camera mount. I gotta check it out and see if I think it'll work good or not, but hopefully it does. And then maybe you guys will have better quality videos for tractor cabs. Alrighty, that is good. Now we'll go ahead and idle down, shut it off, and lift it up, and head back to the road, work our way back the other side. Yeah, it's really not too bad. It's just clean it up a little bit. Sure, I'll have a video out there when it's a lot worse in the middle of the dead of winter there. It's almost Christmas too, so Merry Christmas to you guys out there. This is it's the 17th when I'm recording it, so there's still a little bit of time. Might be another video before then, but I don't know. Okie dokie. Well, since we're in the middle of the road, I'm going to go ahead and start this without showing you guys. Rev her up. Start backing up. Okay, well, clearly that's not working. It doesn't shoot it very far, so I guess we'll try and shoot it the other way. I think she's working pretty good. Right here she gets pretty heavy. You can see there, cutting through the snow. Again, that's just heavy for today. That's like the norm when we snow blow it after a storm. Or that's not much, really, I should say. This is a very old Lucknow snowblower, but it does the job. My uncle there, he got a brand new one and gave us this. So, get it for free and it works. Why wouldn't you take it? pretty deep over here. We'll have to turn it for right now anyway. Now that it's not going to be blowing on the driveway, I should probably turn the wiper on there. There we go. If I turn around over here and watch, once the snow is going to be hitting the driveway, then I'll go ahead and shoot it backward. Here we go. Switch around again. There we go, that's good. Let her clean out. Lift her up. And shut her down. Okay. Well, I'm gonna work at the more delicate parts and I'll be back with you. Hey guys, so we're just about done snow blowing. Well, I'm done with the blower. But we got to scrape up a little bit here, just into that corner there. It'll be a huge snow pile by the end of the winter. Figured I'd take you along. Now I know you guys can't really see, but I can see a distinct line in where I pushed and where I didn't. So you want to, once you get close to the lawn, you want to lift it up a little bit so you don't dig the lawn, which I think I'm doing. Oop. Big pile of snow. There we go, another scoop or two and we should be good. go. Okay, I think we're good. I'll be back for an outro. Perfect. Well, thanks for watching me clean out the driveway. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.